Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of tech. Over today in this video I just want to show how we can create a channel on WhatsApp, and this is actually the latest update of WhatsApp just installed to my Android device, and I got channels over here on my WhatsApp, and I want to explain how we can create it. When just go on updates of your WhatsApp, you will find out the channels, so you can just check out for any channel you want here on this list. For example, I got the Marcus on the first top, and when I just click over here on the profile, you can see this channel does have about 1,700,500 followers. So if you just want to create a channel like this, you have to go click over here, but you don't see create a channel, only find channels. So when I click over here, you can see I can find any channel I want, but there's not going to give us an option to create a channel. And on WhatsApp help just giving us info, WhatsApp channel has begun rolling out but isn't available to everyone yet, but it will be available very soon at all for everyone, and this is all information you can get from WhatsApp website. And don't worry about it, you just have to wait for 10 or 20 days. That's all. You can create your own WhatsApp channel. And you can see when I click over here, it's just going to give me info about how to create a WhatsApp channel. It was very easy. Just tap and select a new channel, and that's all. You can create that on your WhatsApp. I hope this video going to help you to don't waste your time by searching a way to create a channel, because WhatsApp will update it and give you a chance to create your channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick 12 videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.